What is the good of your stars and trees, your sunrise and the wind, if they do not enter into our daily lives? E.M. Forster.
My wish is to stay always like this, living quietly in a corner of nature. Claude Monet.
In every walk with nature one receives far more than he seeks. John Muir. There is something infinitely healing in the repeated refrains of nature, the assurance that dawn comes after night, and spring after the winter. Rachel Carson. I firmly believe that nature brings solace in all troubles. Anne Frank.